Wow, what a beautiful morning out here in the desert, out here in Quartzsite. We are leaving for Palm Springs here in a few minutes, but I just wanted to show you this incredible beauty. Happy New Year!
Happy 2025.
We hope you had a blessed Christmas. We hope you have an awesome 2025.
Yes.
The last time you guys saw us, we were in
Quartzsite, Arizona.
boondocking.
We were boondocking. We found a beautiful site. You know, the sunrises and sunsets in the desert in Arizona are absolutely stunning. We really enjoyed it there.
Yeah, and a couple of things have happened since then. And a thing that we're really kind of happy about is that we made it to 100 subscribers.
Woohoo! I know it might sound a little silly and small, and it is, but to us it does mean the world.
Yeah, it was one of our goals. Which brings us to the simple thing that we really want to tell you, and that's thank you. Thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for being part of this channel. It means the world to us.
It really does. And part of our goal, or one of our goals, was to create community with this channel. So 2025, we really are hoping to meet at least a few of you that are watching.
Yeah, so take a moment, leave a comment below. Hit the subscribe button. We want you here along with us. Now, what is happening in this episode, you ask?
What is happening in this episode?
I'm glad you asked. Well, we're going to show you around the park.
In Palm Springs.
In Palm Springs, we're going to, well, unfortunately, we're going to show you in the shower episode that we had, and it wasn't
pretty.
It wasn't pretty.
It was actually quite gross.
Yeah, it was kind of gross. And we're also going to take you on what we think is a pretty cool hike out here.
Yeah, in the Palm Springs area, a lot of the hikes are really extreme elevation, and we found one that's not so bad. You know, because you have that valley floor and then the San Jacinto Mountains. So we found one that was kind of rolling. It does have elevation gain, but not too bad. So we enjoyed that.
All right, that's it for now, but here we go. We're taking you along with us.
Yes.
Well, we're staying in the Thousand Trails Park here in Palm Springs, and we thought we'd just walk around the park. It's really kind of pretty at night with the sunset. We like the palm trees. That's a pleasant thing to look at, but there are some things that we don't like. It's very dusty here.
And close together.
And extremely close together. And we're right here on the 10 freeway, so there's quite a bit of road noise. And the trains go through all the time around here.
Yeah, right next to the 10 freeway. So not only if you're close to the front, you get the noise, but you also get a little bit of vibration from the trains, so feels like an earthquake. So the pros to this park, there are some pros. Number one, it's in Palm Desert, very near Palm Springs, California, so the weather is perfect in December. Number two, the location, not only the weather, but you're near Palm Springs, you're near Joshua Tree, you've got the tramway, you've got Idlewild if you want to take a drive up there into the higher elevation. So the location, couldn't ask for better. But the negatives are a few. Close to the 110, so you have freeway noise as well as train noise. There's a train that runs along the 110 as well. I'm sorry, the I-10. It's a little close together in here and a little dusty. So we have a problem with our shower that Wayne is trying to fix. It is our foldable shower bench.
Ooh, this is bad.
From day one, these connectors right here have been cracked and corroded, and now we've been in here over 4 years, and it really is disgusting. And so I think what happened at the factory is maybe they over torqued them, and they cracked, and so water's been able to get in, and the whole thing is corroded. So we bought a new bench seat on Amazon, and now Wayne is just trying to get this out of there so we can put the new seat on. How's it going, Wayne?
It's gonna be a little bit of time here. It is so corroded.
Yeah, looks kind of gross.
And there is water intrusion in here, obviously, but I can feel some dampness still, so it's all got to get cleaned out of here. What's left of it. It's bad. It's just all corroded to pieces.
Kind of gross. So this turned out to be a bigger job than we anticipated. It usually always is in RV life. Unfortunately, so corroded. Unfortunately, that's what was left of our shower hinges. Unfortunately, the new bench that we bought, we thought it was the exact same brand, but it must be a newer model because the holes don't match. So we're gonna have to fill these holes, drill new holes, and go from there. Not as easy as we thought it. We thought it'd be plug and play, but sometimes it just doesn't go as planned.
Okay, all done.
Even though it wasn't plug and play, we were able to do it. The only problem is the holes were not in the same place, so when we put this new one on, we do have one little bit exposed hole that I caulked, and then I put some shower grout on. So hopefully it's all good. Wayne's gonna pop that last one in.
There we go.
Ta-da! All done.
Yay.
Hello, we are, where are we?
We are at the San Jacinto Mountains
National Monument.
National Monument.
Yes. And they have a little trail, just a couple miles, but I think it will just be a nice excursion for the day.
Yeah, and this is a national monument that's actually administered by the BLM, the Bureau of Land Management. So we're out in the desert outside of Palm Springs here, and we'll show you around a little bit.
Maybe we'll see some wildlife like a rattlesnake or something.
Oh, that'd be fun. And we're going to go up this canyon.
Granite makes up the majority of the rock formations. Depending on the ratio of mica, feldspar, and quartz, granite can appear light, dark, or some shade in between. Look for lichens growing on these rocks. Did you know that lichens are comprised of fungi and algae?
I like lichens. Not the werewolf kind, though. Getting steep in here, Valerie. All right, we've climbed way up here, about 400 feet. Our car is way down there.
We can't see any bighorn sheep today. They're not up over the ridge.
The stuff you find out here in the desert. Let's see, not a bad hike. It was really pretty up in there. We went 2.5 miles, and we went up 430 feet of elevation. So,
yeah, nice. Not epic by any means, but better than walking around the park. So 2.5 miles is not very strenuous, but it was nice. It was really nice to get out and see the scenery, even if it is desert scenery. has its own beauty, I think.
You got to find the beauty.
Gotta find your own.
It's a win-win.
It is a win-win.
Well, that's it for this week. We thank you for joining us, and we will see you again next week. We're going to leave you with a little bit of footage of us driving out of Palm Springs.